Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do another Queen's order. Now, I want to let y'all know that I do have orders that's like some people order like one pair. So what I'm going to do, 3 or 4 different orders in one video. So y'all them will be coming up. But a lot of times people do order more than one pair. So this order is going to Ohio. I think the last Queen's order I did was on Ohio. So shout out to Dayton, Ohio for supporting K.Noir Designs. And it's 2 different sisters that ordered. So it's not the same person. The first pair that we're going to talk about is Beautiful Energy. Yes, there's a picture of Beyonce with with some tribal marks on. So I kind of got the idea from that when I created these. And then I just put Beautiful Energy. Just look real indigenous, African. And it's just really, really fun pair of earrings to do. Got another pair I got to make of these. And just the back. Yep, so these are going to Dayton, Ohio. And these on boabwart.com, and they're called Beautiful Energy. Matter of fact, in that listing is a pair that say Beautiful Energy and Beautiful Struggle. The Beautiful Struggle has a fist, and the other one has, I'll put a picture up there. Y'all can see the other pair that's in the same listing. Okay, the next pair is The next pair is I Feel Blessed. That's what these are called, Blessing on Blessing. And this is a pair that China stole. They took my writing, I Feel Blessed. And a lot of times they'll put it in gold. They'll put the words in gold, but it's my handwriting. And they'll take the background out. So that's a pair that China also stole. They didn't mess with Blessings on Blessings. They just, a lot of times they'll take one design from a pair. Because I do a lot of flip-flops. So with the will of the universe, I'm still selling this pair. Yeah. I like doing this pair. It's very fun. This is the back. And I always sign one of my, you always sign your artwork. So if y'all see a pair that say, I Feel So Blessed, and it's black and gold, don't buy it. It's a bootleg version of my handwriting. Buy the original. boabwart.com. So the next pair is called Good Things Come to Those Who Wait. That's the name of these earrings. Patience is a virtue. So yeah, so this is a fun pair. Yeah. Good things comes to those who wait. Patience is a virtue. You just gotta have patience, y'all. So this is the back. Yep. Got a little glitter. Just a little glitter gold. Silver. Real fun pot to make. And I'm pretty sure y'all done seen these because I'm doing so many of these. I've got another order that's coming up. Should be after this video that have some of these too. So these are called Melanin Life is Golden. They're making these a lot. Thank you to the universe and thank you for my supporters. The back is just black. And the sign right here. Yep. So that is those. And this is the last pair that this sister ordered. This is A Beautiful Woman Has Come. Carbon Nefertiti. She got a melanin carbon look on. She got that beautiful chocolate skin. Let me bring it down. Yep. So this is called A Beautiful Woman Has Come. Carbon Nefertiti. Yeah. Fun. She got her little glitter everywhere. Just so beautiful. A wearable art piece. This is just the back. Very royal pair of earrings. Beautiful. All right. So I want to give a thanks to the sister that supported me with this order. You should be, if you haven't received them, they should be on their way. Don't forget to leave a beautiful comment. Subscribe to this channel. Salam, salam.